This is the Lionel FEC Florida East Coast 89-foot Autorack by Lionel. It's got a flashing rear end device. This is out of that FEC Autorack set. There is a neat feature with this, and I'm going to show it to you right now by pressing the aux 3 on my Legacy remote.
I said pull out the slack, not rip it out.
When you press this, reminds me of R2-D2.
I said pull out the slack, not rip it out. I'm the chief, so we set up this darn alarm.
How'd you have you guys see that? That is pretty darn cool. That's going to go on the one train. And then over here, I haven't even unboxed yet, is the one that's got all the graffiti on the side. So, wanted to share that with you guys. That is really, really cool.